The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, good morning. Happy Tuesday, fellas. Dennis, thank you. Ed, thank you. Jim, good morning. Hope you all had a Chris, good morning. Hope you guys all had a great afternoon. We had good morning, Jack, Pascal as well. Guys, we have CPI this morning. I'm sure you all know that. We will not be doing any trades until after we get past CPI, so we can kind of slow walk it this morning. First and foremost, volume is we're 20,000 contracts light. Good morning, Kelly. We are 20,000 contracts light. We were very low volume yesterday. We are even lower volume at the moment. That may pick up with CPI, but it's pretty light right now. In the overnight session, gold on the 15-minute is down 670. I'll reset that to run after CPI. Copper was up 425. Crude was up 430. I will not run crude tonight because tomorrow is crude inventory. And gold on the Ninzarenko up 440. So daily gold's in, on crude, gold, Ninzarenko, crude, and copper. And I will run gold on the 15-minute once we get past. Take that. Yeah, I need that. Once we get past the news. Okay? I think we can get that positive. In any event, I did not run NASDAQ on the 1 minute due to the fact that we have CPI, but it looks like we'd have had a long trade here. Anybody run the 1 minute? I'm guessing you got goal. It looks like you had a short. 7 o'clock. Yeah, it looks like it shorted. You would have had target 1, and it looks like a long, maybe target 2. If anybody ran, it looks like it would be at daily goal. In any event, I didn't run them. I will obviously run them at 9:35. I'll read the disclaimer. We'll look at charts, and we'll basically sit here until the news. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. Excuse me, in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right.
Former Fed President Bullard says he talked with U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessent last.
Gonna have to get through 7.1.
So keep in mind, Treasury Secretary Bessent is the
If you want to take some off at 6.8, 6.9, you can do that if you're trading multiples.
Again, former Fed Bullard, who talked with Best End last week. Bullard said he
Thank you, Ed.
proceed, however Best End wants to proceed, regarding the possibility of the Fed chair role. It's been 5 minutes time now. We expect the US Redbird year-over-year prior 6.5%.
I'm going to hold this for a bit longer here, guys. I added one. I brought my cost down to 3.6.
Order submitted.
This hourly is stuck. Nice job, Kyle. Kids' first day of middle school? Nice. Enjoy. $49.5.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Target 163.
Order submitted.
Come on, don't leave me hanging by ticks. 62 quarter. Hit it again and failed. Come on, push. There it is. All right, target one. We're into this 60-minute zone. There we go. Next target up, I have a 78.
Order submitted.
And then a free one. 78 and then free. 77 quarter half. Come on, couple ticks. Let's go. Come on, push. All right, now it's completely free, fellas. Here we go. We need to get through 84 we're through. Now we're going to 800.
Order submitted.
95, little bit of resistance. Gonna have to get through yesterday's high, which I don't think we've done yet. Yeah, we have. $15-minute resistance right here.
Order submitted.
It's the 1 minute, but it's pending. It's not gonna do anything. I moved stop to 70.
UK 30-year gilt yields rise more than 8 basis points on the day. The highest was 4.76%, the highest since July 29.
Final target, I'd like 827.
Order submitted. Order
All
failed.
right, runners out.
Order canceled.
Just a pullback. You guys good?
Order canceled. Order submitted.
It's ES.
Order submitted.
Got to adjust all my charts here, guys. NASDAQ sitting on support here.
Order canceled.
All right, target hit on the ES. Going to the high, yesterday's high. Gold is a short to 91 from here. First target, 90.8. $90.8, target one. Come on. 3 ticks. There it is. 90.8. Target one hit. Next target down 89.7, and below that it's a breakdown. There it goes. Come on, breakdown. 88.7 next on gold. 88.7. Nice job, Greg. Euro flat.
Order canceled.
$8.07 coming. $8.36 target if you're still holding. Short on the Ninzarenko, got target. Small selling. Here's initial support on the 1 minute.
So Trump on Truth Social says, Jerome, too late, Powell.
Trump.
Now lower the rate.
Trump.
He adds the damage has done by always being too late is incalculable.
I'd buy the VWAP 17.
Order canceled. Order
He says, I am,
submitted.
though, considering allowing a major lawsuit against Powell to proceed because
Order
of the horrible
submitted.
and grossly incompetent job he has done in managing the construction of Fed buildings as well. So again, Trump saying he is allowing a major
Order
lawsuit
failed.
against Fed's Powell.
Trump allowing a major lawsuit against the Fed's Powell. Sit tight.
Order canceled.
Yeah, sit tight.
Trump says that he is allowing a major lawsuit against
Order
Fed's
submitted.
Chair Powell.
Order canceled.
All right.
So keep in mind that this
Order
is in
canceled.
relation to the managing of the construction of the Fed
Order
buildings.
canceled. Order submitted.
Shut these things off, guys. Shut them off for now. This is way too nuts. This has a long, but I couldn't shut it. I shut it off after the trade fired.
Order failed.
That's the problem with news.
Order
All right, it's done for the day. Daily goal is in. Let them settle down before you turn those back on.
Order canceled.
All right, that's done for the day. Daily goal in. The only thing that doesn't have daily goal now is the 1 minute. Everything, the other two have daily goal.
Order submitted.
No, it's short. If that gets tart,
Order
that's it.
canceled.
Everything's done for the day, guys. 9:48. Everything's at daily goal. All right, let's see what we can come up with here. We should bounce off VWAP at least once.
Order failed.
I bought 2 here. If this doesn't bounce, look at this. Come on, pull back up. We're into support. Come on, get back above VWAP. Let's go. 1,900 buyers. Come on, hold this support. Don't break down.
Order failed.
I took it off. I still think this can hold. Nope. Now we're selling pretty good. Down to 1,700 below. Next 2-minute bar is coming in 22 seconds. That's short one in a funded account, guys. Come on, break down. Let's go. Push here. Get through those buyers, right? It's holding those buyers. I have a target at 600. There we go. All right,
Order filled.
good enough. The stupid consistency rule's a pain in the neck.
UK and Euro bonds extend losses. 30-year gilt yields up 9 basis points.
Another block here. We're below 1400 on the delta. They're going to sell them. This is going to get busted. I'd like to see a bounce back up near 15. We're holding value area low now. Pretty good 240-minute support. Next bar is in 3 minutes. Here it comes. Guys, I have us in shorts with a 600 target, but I'd like a bounce back up. This can bounce back to VWAP at 18. A little bit of resistance here at 03. Delta's dropped to 14, back to 1500. I'm surprised gold didn't react to that.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, here's the bounce back to VWAP. This will probably reject once. And if it pushes through that, it goes back to 37. It's going back up.
Order filled.
All right, 15-minute.
Time now at the top of the hour. As Barkin speaks at the Health Management Academy in
10
Chicago.
o'clock, Barkin speaks.
No indication on what he's due to be talking about.
Going up.
There's a text and Q&A expected, but no live stream.
Back to 1900. I'm going to take this long on a close of, there it is.
Order filled.
I took it long on the close above VWAP. First target is going to be 35. Call it 34.
Order submitted.
Come on, push, baby. Ah, you rat bag. Come on. Down below 12. There's the 10 o'clock candle. There's the break.
Comments coming through from Fed's Barkin now. It says May will see pressure on inflation and unemployment. The balance between the two is unclear. Fed policy is well positioned to adjust as visibility about the economy lifts. For economy to
618 next target. 618 if you're short.
spending has softened, it's hard to envision a serious pullback given low unemployment and ongoing wage gains. Shifts in consumer spending may be helping dampen the impact of tariffs on inflation. Unemployment could take a hit if consumers do pull back, but I'm hopeful that large layoffs will be avoided.
$618 next target. 618 is next target.
Order submitted.
Guys, we're below 800 on the delta. A little bit of a bounce back to 8, but 618 is where this should pop. And then 96 would be final. 96 would be final. We just held some minor support. And Trump with that Powell stuff really jacked this long off, didn't it? I mean, he just killed the long. If this breaks below 87.5, it's going to get wiped out. That's yesterday's low. 87.5 is yesterday's low. Yeah, but anything to do with Powell and that whole disruption is just fodder. There's no real, I mean, there's some buyers here, but there's no size. I think it's just a reload. I still have a 618 and then an 08.
Fed Governor Pick
Trade small, you can hold it.
on the CPI report says, I'm very happy to see inflation is well behaved. That's a U.S. Council of Economic Advisors Chief Moran, who is also a Fed Governor Pick.
Holding yesterday's close. Not for long, I don't think.
Moran on the CPI report says there's no evidence of tariff-induced inflation.
There's no evidence of tariff-induced inflation. This low volume area could reject. Come on, push the VWAP.
Moran says no material increase in new car inflation. US CEA's Moran says most economic data comes from surveys, and there will be an element of noise which has increased.
This is some resistance here.
CPI data rarely gets revised, he adds.
Order canceled.
Okay.
And Moran says incentive schemes can drive response rates higher. And White House economic advisor Moran on Fed says independence is paramount.
I still gotta believe we're back up into longs now with 2,300 buyers. We're at 3-minute resistance. And I would think the next target is 31, above that 17.
White House economic advisor Moran on the Fed says it's up to the Senate on timing.
Yeah.
The Fed board nominee Moran says it's up to the Senate whether approval happens by the September meeting.
Come on. Push this 37. Let's go. Hit target, no fill. Love it.
Order.
There it is. 41 is filled. Going to be some resistance next up at 53.
Order submitted.
Got to get through this area here. We get 53. And then 99 is final.
Order submitted.
There's our sticking point. If you guys want to take risk off, feel free.
Trump posting on Truth Social.
Trump posting again.
Taken in tariffs.
Something about tariffs. I may hit close.
He says this has been incredible for our country, its stock market, and general wealth, and just about everything else.
Come on, there we go.
He says
All right,
it's been proven that
lowered.
tariffs have not caused inflation or any other
Volume point of control now 803.
cash pouring into our treasury's coffers.
I'm going to move that to just out of the way.
Trump also says it has been shown for the most part that consumers aren't paying for the tariffs.
Come on. 51 is still resistance. It's top of this 2-minute cloud. If you guys want to take one there. But once it pushes through that 50, 56 area, she's gone. Come on, pop it here. A little bit lower high on this candle. Don't like it. Come on. 2,500, 2,520. Some mixed buying and selling right in this area here. There we go. Here's where the big buyers came in earlier, that 50. 800 contracts were bought there at 50. All right.
Order fell.
I'm flat. This could pull back now to 14. Yep. Come on, let's go. There's a little bit of resistance at 51. So if you want to take some off, that's a place you can. 51, 52. If it pops this, it's going. This is some resistance now. It's top of the 2-minute cloud. It's got to break through this 56, 58. 2,500 on the net buying. Come on, dog. Give me 60, 59. All right. 65 is some resistance. We're going to have to get through this value area high. Next target is 66. So if you want to take one at 65.
Order submitted.
And then above that, we get 89 and then that 99. Trade runners as you see fit.
So now US CEA Chair Moran speaking on Fox News. Moran says the BLS numbers have deteriorated in quality over the years.
Come on. All right.
Order filled.
Flat again. Cannot. All right. Come on. Gonna have to break out. Come on. Gonna have to take out this 61 quarter. I mean, there are buyers here, guys. Come on, horse. You got to be kidding me. Come on. There it is. Come on. Ticks, fellas. I'm going to close this trade in 1 second. I'm on the close. I'm out.
Filled.
I'm out. I still think it breaks, and I'm not opposed to hitting it long again. But this sluggish baloney, I'm going to wait for it to get through 64.
Significant weakness in demand growth.
Some resistance here at this 65, but that 55 was the 15-minute entry. We're going to have to move through 67. Cancel
Order
that.
canceled.
Cancel it. I'll give you totals. Well, it's always been that way, hasn't it? All right, here are the totals for the day. Gold on the 15-minute was down 637.50 for me in the overnight. The Ninja Renko was up 440 on gold. Copper was up 275. Crude was up 430. It will not trade tonight overnight. I don't trade it on inventory days.
So $100 billion in crude bills on
NASDAQ on the 1 minute up 600. Ninja Renko 600. ES up 800. 2507.50. Any questions, guys?